Hello students, how are you? Today we have to begin our lesson here on page 38, okay? 38. In the previous class and the previous video, we discussed the new vocabulary. I asked you to study them carefully to be able to understand the next lesson here. Our lesson is talking about there will be problems. There will be problems, okay? Now, where are the problems? Sure, in space. These questions we have to answer them after discussing the text here. I will read them only and to know, to take a note here about them. Read the article again and answer these questions. A. This scrapyard could cause serious problems. Is this a fact or the writer's opinion? Explain why. Okay. هل هي حقيقة؟ The scrapyard could cause serious problems. تسبب مشاكل خطيرة وجدية. هل هو حقيقة أم هو رأي الكاتب? Explain why. After discussing the text we have to answer. B. In your opinion, في رأيك, from your point of view, what could the solutions اللي هي الحلول to orbital debris be? ما هي الحلول ممكن أن تكون للحطام المداري للتقليل من ذلك؟ C. Do you think it is possible that other planets have space debris like ours? هل ممكن أن يكون هناك كواكب أخرى بتعاني من الحطام المداري مثل كواكبنا والفضاء اللي عنا؟ Okay, now listen to me here. Only I will read these words. طبعا معاني كان صارت موجودة عندك ومحللة عندك. أنا راح أذكرك بس لفظها. To float بمعنى يعوم ويطفو. To float when there is no gravity, لما ما يكون في عنا جاذبية. So you can float here. You have to float. To fall apart, space shuttle, scrapyard, orbital debris, screwdriver. I will begin here, from the beginning here. The biggest scrapyard in the solar system. The biggest scrapyard. Look here, where is the scrapyard? وين موجود الحطام؟ وين هاي المنطقة؟ هي can you see? This is the scrapyard. هذا هو الشيء اللي بيلتف حول الفضاء، حول الكرة الأرضية، حول العالم. Okay? Now, do you think that scrap or rubbish? So scrap or rubbish, you have to notice الخردة أو الفضلات, they are synonyms. They mean the same thing here. Scrap or rubbish is a problem on Earth. Well, it's also a problem in the sky. بما إنه في عنا خردة وفضلات كثيرة على الأرض, أكيد في منها أيضا موجود في السماء. شو ما قصدهم in the sky here? They mean the space. They mean in space, in outer space. On a clear night, في ليلة هادئة وليلة صافية, no clouds, they mean, لا يوجد غيوم هناك. On a clear night, okay, look up into the sky. What will you see? You will see the moon, the stars and the satellite. ممكن إنك تشوف القمر, النجوم, الأقمار الصناعية. Although you won't see it, بالرغم من إنك أنت ما راح تقدر تشوفه. شو نقصد بإت؟ You will also be looking at the largest scrapyard in the solar system. طبعا أنت ما راح تشوفه. شو ما كانت الليلة صافية عندك ما راح تقدر تشوف هذا الحطام المداري. It here refers to scrapyards. You have to notice that. Okay? Although you won't see, they mean you will not see it. Will not. You will not see it. You will also be looking at the largest scrapyard in the solar system. Look at this picture. Which picture? This picture. Okay? There are tens of millions of pieces of rubbish. هناك ملايين وعشرات الملايين من قطع الفضلات والخردوات الموجودة. Scientists call this orbital debris. ماذا أطلقوا عليه العلماء هذا الاسم؟ Orbital debris بمعنى حطام مداري. Orbital debris. This thing here. You will find the most unusual things floating around the earth. يعني ممكن أنت تشوف أشياء غير عادية. The most unusual things floating, تعوم وتطفو, floating around the earth. For example, because there is no gravity. ليش عم بتعوم بتطوف? Because there is no gravity in space. Like a camera, a screwdriver, and even a glove. حتى ممكن تلاقي قفازة طايرة هيك في السماء. Camera, screwdriver. Most of this rubbish comes from satellites and rockets. that stopped working and fell apart. يعني من وين أجت هاي الأمور؟ الكاميرا، السكرو درايفر، جلاف، أي شيء من الحطام هذا المدري من وين أجا؟ من وين أجا؟ comes from what? satellites، الأقمار الصناعية and rockets، الصواريخ اللي توقفت عن العمل في الفضاء وتحطمت. Okay, stopped working and fell apart. This orbital debris would weigh 5 million kilograms on Earth. What's the meaning of would weigh? Weigh here an infinitive verb. Infinitive verb بمعنى يزن، من الوزن طبعا، يعني ممكن يوزن ويقدر وزنه 5 million kilograms on Earth. This scrapyard could cause serious problems. What's the meaning of serious here؟ بمعنى dangerous problems. يعني هذا الحطام المداري ممكن يسبب لك إيش؟ مشاكل حقيقية. What the meaning of that? In August 2008, when a space shuttle returned to Earth، رجعت للأرض. Okay, it had small but dangerous holes. كان فيها ثقوب صغيرة لكنها خطيرة. Okay, in it. It's here what the pronoun it refers to what? To space shuttle. وين كانت موجودة هاي الثقوب؟ In the space shuttle made by pieces of space debris. من وين أجت هذه الثقوب؟ من القطع اللي اصطدمت وارتطمت من الحطام المداري، ارتطمت فيها وهي في الفضاء. So let's start thinking of ways to tidy space up. يعني هون بحكي لك خلينا نقترح طريقة لحتى احنا نرتب هذا الوضع من الفضاء ونقلل من هذا الحطام المداري اللي ممكن يضر ويفتك فيه كثير من الأمور اللي احنا لساتنا ما بنعرفها. This is all about our lesson here. Okay, now in next lesson, in next video, I will find out the grammatical expressions and moving to the previous here questions to answer them. Goodbye now.